crafty friends, this is Julissa of Paper Gems by Jules, and today I'm on a hop with Thermoweb and Unity Stamp Company, and we are featuring some of the new adhesive transfers that Thermoweb has releasing, and this collaboration is with Unity for this particular one. So I am pairing it with an awesome Unity stamp that I thought was just so fun to celebrate with. So watch the coloring for now. I am fighting a bit of a cold, so just mind my voice, and I'll put on some music for now, and then I'll tune back in once we start getting to the foil. Enjoy! Okay, so before we get into the foiling, I wanted to also chat about what I'm doing right here. So something that I do with a lot of my cards is I stamp with a regular ink that is Copic friendly. And then once I'm done coloring, it's super risky, but I go back and I use VersaFine Clair or VersaFine. And I do that to get that bold black look around the image. You have to have some sort of device. I use my Misty. I love my Misty, but that's the only way I'm going to line those items up, especially with a red rubber stamp. And I love my red rubber stamps. So just, an idea to throw out there if you want that crisp, super crisp black look, or even if you wanted to use a brown ink, that's also another way to kind of make it a little softer but still have a full line image. So just wanted to throw that out there in case you weren't familiar with that little technique. All right, and back to the music. Thanks so much for hanging in there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to trim out the words that we want to use of these adhesive transfers. So I trimmed out let's and celebrate, and what I'm doing is I am going to lay them out on my white cardstock where I'm going to use them. Now I'm going to end up fussy cutting the let's and the celebrate from once it's foiled, but I'll show you for now what happens. So this has like it basically has the word in it, a little very thin adhesive, so you can't really see it, but you lay this down, you peel the back and you lay this down, right? So I'm pressing it on there. Sometimes that's almost enough pressure, but to be super safe, what I would suggest is always run it through your, I have a Big Shot, so whatever you have that's comparable, use that. And so I peeled it off, and now you can kind of see a little bit of the glimmer of the glue that's on there. And it's not a liquid glue, it's just like a tacky little glue, so you don't want to touch it. You don't want to touch it when it's on the film, and you don't want to touch it when it's on your paper. So now I am trimming some red deco foil, and I am pressing it on there. Now you don't have to do this. Again, what you want to do is run it through your Big Shot, but it is that simple. You can already see that it's sticking to it, so just bear with me putting it through the machine, and when it comes out, wait till you see. Now the great thing about this is that you can use this on black cardstock, on navy cardstock, on whatever color cardstock. You can use this because it's all going to depend on the color of the foil. Now, just so you know, that clear version, that can be foil too. I didn't do it in this video, but there is another Unity video that does show you how you can use that piece too. Another part that you can use is the remaining foil. So that foil that is now on the paper has taken away from the foil that was used over it. Well, you can use that on black toner paper, and that's also available on Unity's website as well as Thermoweb. So I'm just going to fussy cut this out and then place it, and you'll see how this all comes together. I love this product. I think you'll love this product. I hope you enjoy the hop. I hope that you are finding inspiration with all of the creativity that comes from this group, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. So enjoy the rest of this. I'm going to tune out right now and just put on some music. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments. I'd love for you to subscribe and tell me what inspired you most. Thanks so much.